Hi, it's time for math lesson 119 on Friday, April 10th, and we are going to start with coins again. So I will hold up a coin, you tell me what it is, and tell me how much it is worth. Dime, 10 cents, perfect. Penny, 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents. And quarter, 25 cents. You guys did a great job. We are going to count some money again today. Oh, I have lots of coins this time. Lots and lots and lots. Now, do you remember, do we count the nickels, the dimes, or the pennies first? Dimes, right. So let's find all the dimes. A dime. Here's another dime. Another dime. I don't see any more. I think I'm going to put the pennies together, and here are the nickels. So we'll start with the dimes. Count with me. 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. Let's slide those over. Then we have to keep counting from 30, and now we get to count by fives because we have nickels. Okay, so 35, 40 cents, 45, 50 cents, and then we have 2 pennies left. So then we go 51, 52. And then we would write 52 cents like this up here. You want a 5 first because it said 50, and then a 2, and then a cent sign is a C with a line through it. So there we are. And that is how we do coins for today. We are going to also practice a little bit with the dominoes. Remember we were playing dominoes for the past couple days? That is such a fun game. And so now we're going to review how you can add using dominoes. So right over here, this domino has a whole bunch of dots here. So you might need to actually count them instead of just going, oh, that's a 3 or that's a 2. Now right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then you would write a 6 down here. And then there's the plus sign. And let's count these two. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a 4 right here. And we're going to count all of them to find out what number goes there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you notice after I got to 6, I just kept going right to 7? Counted all the dots. So then I would get a 10 right here. Let's do the next one. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 here. And how many here? You are right, there are none there. So then we get to put a 0 here. And count with me. 1, 2, 3. There's no more to count. So we just start with 3. Now say both of these number sentences with me. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And over here, 3 plus 0 equals 3. When you add 0 to any number, it stays the same number that it was. So you could add 100 plus 0 and you'd still have 100. So that's how that works. Now, we are going to use the teddy bear counters today. So you need your yellow mat, your yellow work mat, and all those teddy bear counters. So I will show you where we're at here on mine. There you go. I have my mat. We are going to pretend this is a swimming pool and that the bears are wanting to go swimming in that swimming pool. So let's see. We are going to pick numbers out of my number cards because I don't have you guys here to help me. So I am going to take one number out, and that many bears are going to jump in the pool. Ooh, we have 7. Let's get 7 bears in the pool. Count with me, and you move yours in while I move mine in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, could have I used some from the other side? Yes. What I want you to have when you start, though, is 10 on each side, okay? And so if you needed to pause the video for that, that's great. Get that all set up. And then now you want 7 in the pool. Ooh, there are 7 in the pool. And they want some of their friends to come in with them. And so let's see. Ooh, only one more. So we're going to put one more in. And we could do a number sentence with that. Just like when we do number sentences with those. I can do 7, because there's 7 at first, plus 1 equals, and now let's count and see how many I have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So say that whole number sentence with me. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Perfect. We are ready for some more. So I think we should let them all come out so we can have some different ones go in. Okay, so see if you can get your bears all out of the pool. We're going to do another number sentence. And this time, let's see how many bears are going in first. I am thinking, how about this one? 10! Wow, we get to have 10 bears go in. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You should have 10 bears in your swimming pool too. So now there are 10 bears in there. So if we are writing a number sentence, we want the number 10 first because we have 10 bears in there. And now we are going to add some more. Let's see what we get. Okay, we are going to add some more. Let's see. 2 more. So 1, 2. So now we need to put a 2 here. And we are going to count all the bears and find out how many we have all together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, we have 12 bears in the pool. So say the number sentence with me. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Wow, we are going to do this a couple more times until I am all out of number cards. And it looks like I might be missing one. Nope, I have 6 here. So we get to do this 3 more times. So slide all your bears off and get ready for another round. When we do these are called some more stories. So we're putting some in the pool and then we add some more and then we can get a number sentence out of that. Okay, let's see what we're having next. 8. Let's start with 8. Everybody move 8 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm going to write 8 over here. And then we need a plus sign. And now let's see how many other ones we're going to get. 3. Let's count 3 more to go in. 1, 2, 3. And we'll write a 3 right up here. Now we get to count them all to find out what goes on the other side of the equal sign. Count with me. You're going to count and point. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow. 8 plus 3 equals 11. The next time, everybody's going to move theirs off. And then the next time, I'm just going to let you do it first. And then I will do it next. Okay? So, probably it would be best if you would pause the DVD after I say how many there are going to be. And I'll write it up here. And you put the bears in first. Okay? And then I'll put my bears in. And then you can... you need to start the video again after you have put your bears in the middle, okay? So let's start with 6. You want 6 bears in the pool. Do you have your 6 bears in yet? I'm going to put mine in. Now let's see how many we're adding. Ooh, that's a lot. 9. 9 more going in. Can you put 9 more in? And then you can count them all and see if you get what I get, okay? So, did you pause the video and put all yours in? Now you want to count them all, okay? You're going to count them all. I will point and count mine. Please pause the DVD and do yours first. See if you can get the right number, okay? I got 15. Did you get 15? I hope so, because that is our new number sentence. 6 plus 9 equals 15. That's great. Let's clear our mats, and we have 2 more number cards left, so we can do it one more time. Ooh, 5 is first. 5 jump in the pool. Did you pause the video and put yours in first? I hope so. So I am going to write this one up here, I think. Yes. Now, see if you can look at all these numbers and think, what number is left? It's kind of like the missing number game. What number do you think is left? If you are thinking 4, you are right. So, now you want to put 4 more in. Did you pause so that you could get yours in first? Good. Now, I have all mine in, and you have all yours in. Now you want to count all yours. I got 9. Did you get 9? Wow, 9 bears in that pool. So let's say the number sentence together. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So we have 9 bears in the pool. You can keep playing this if you want to and pause the video, or if you want to go on to the next part, you can come on to the next part with me. And we are going to look at this paper again. So this is what paper you have. You actually have quite a few papers, but this is the paper you're going to look at first. You want to put your name on here, and this is a parent activity. So it is very similar to what we were doing. Your bears down here need to be cut out, and you can color them first if you want to. I think that would be really fun. So you want to color them first and then cut them out on those lines, and you can cut right across the bottom so you have an even paper. And then you get to play the game just like we were doing, but you're going to use the story here. And then if you want to do it some more, you can make up your own stories, and you can write number sentences for them too. So that is an activity that does not have to be returned to me. I don't need this one back, okay? Now, this is called an activity master. And so we are going to use this to do an activity that shows how you can take a number apart. And they call that decomposing a number. I'm not sure if I like that term, but that's what they call it. So, anyway, we are going to pretend that we have 5 bears all together. So I am going to put them right up here along my ledge here. It's a good thing my daughter Renata is an artist. She had this little easel at home. I am good to go. So we are going to pretend there are 5. That's why there's a 5 there. Equals, and we're going to pretend some of the bears are going to be in the circle pool and some are going to be in the square pool. So how about if we have 2 2 in the circle pool and 3 in the square pool. So let's count that out. Ready? 1, 2. So we're going to pretend those are in the circle one. So we're going to do the one with the star first. So you are going to make a 2 right here because 2 are in the circle one. And how many did we say are in the square one? Ready? 1, 2, 3. So now we have 3 in the square one. So you can do your number sentence a little bit backwards, and it says 5 equals 2 plus 3. So if you want, you can even just put a dot in here for each bear, and then it might be easier for you to count. Ready? 1, 2, so there's 2 here. 1, 2, 3, there's 3 there. That's good. Now let's go on to the next one, the one with the heart. How about if we move one of these over here? And now let's draw how many are in the circle one, which would be just 1. He's probably lonely. Now let's count how many are in the square one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to make 4 dots in the square pool. So let's count these again. So it says 5 equals, and then you only have 1 here, so you go 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So say that again with me. 5 equals 1 plus 4. We're used to saying it the other way around, aren't we? We usually do 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now we are ready for down here. I think we need a few more over there. So let's put some more over here. Now we're going to slide them over so we can still see. So these are in the circle pool and these are in the square one. Let's count and then we'll make some dots. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 bears in the circle pool. So then we write a 3 right here. And in the square one, 1, 2. So we make 2 dots and write a 2. You can actually set yours right in the square and the circle. Mine would not stay there, obviously, because they would fall off. So let's count again. 5 equals 3 plus 2. There you go. We are ready for the last one. We have one more way that we can make 5. Actually, there are 2 more ways. I think we should do that other way. Let's do that. Okay, we're going to have all the bears in the circle pool. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw 5 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to write 5 here. And then how many are over here? You're right. There are none there. So we are going to put a 0 here. So 5 equals 5 plus 0. You do not need to return this one to school. Okay? This one you can keep at home because we did it together. Now the next one looks like this, and it is very similar. But you can pick what number you want here up to 10. Okay? So it must be more than 4 or more. It has to be 4 or more. Okay? Up to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. Okay? And then you want to do the same thing we just did. So maybe if you wanted to do 7, then you put some in the circle pool and some in the square pool. Draw dots on this side. You need the same number at the beginning in each problem, okay? So pick one number, and that's the number that goes in this space. So write that right there. You want to do that first. And then you want to use that many bears, and you're going to divide them between the 2 pools, and then you're going to make dots in there, and then write the numbers. And then you'll have number sentences. Okay? So this one I want back, okay? That is the end of lesson 119.